Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Character Skills Assembly, and the focus for this week is on sharing. So my first question to you today is, what are our Elaine values? So you might want to pause the video now, have a discussion with people at home, or if you're in school, talk to your shoulder partners and see if you can remember our 6 Elaine values. First one is respect, collaboration, resilience, friendship, excellence and responsibility. And here's a picture of our values board that we have at Elaine, just so you can help remember. These are the character skills that we work towards at Elaine. So we have our wonder, integrity, relationships, leadership and mindset. So my next question to you is, what is sharing? So pause the video now, have a discussion with grown-ups or brothers and sisters and people at home, and if you're in school, have a discussion in the classroom. So what is sharing? Make sure you pause the video. So sharing is having or giving a portion of something to someone to enjoy it together. So this might be food, a toy, an idea, or an activity, for example. So based on that definition, which of our character skills does sharing demonstrate? So again, pause the video, have a discussion in school and at home. So what character skill is sharing demonstrating? So sharing demonstrates our character skill with relationships, but it's also linked to Miss Parsons' assembly from last week, which was based on kindness. So can you think of a time when you have shared something with somebody? So think about that if you've done it in school or at home. So pause the video and have a discussion around when you have shared something with somebody else. So I've got a little video for you to watch. While you're watching it, I want you to think about how the characters share and why they share and what is their motivation behind it. So make sure that you're watching it and you're thinking about those key questions which you can discuss after you've finished watching. So, how does sharing help build relationships? So, it helps us make and keep friends. It helps to manage emotions and see others' points of view. It educates us about the value of things and objects. And it makes us feel good. And it demonstrates kindness. So you may have heard the phrase before, sharing is caring. So why is sharing caring? Pause the video now and have a little discussion around this. So what are you going to do this week to make an effort to share? How can you demonstrate sharing?